Hi guys, good morning. See, I'm pissed somehow. A lot has happened this morning that I would have loved to capture, but my phone memory got filled up, so I had to delete some things to be able to film. Yeah, that's just it. Welcome to a new vlog. See, I made Okpa this morning and I wanted to film it, but my phone memory didn't allow me. It bangs. It is banging. Leave my sweeping brush. I would have edited some videos to be able to film this, but I was in a hurry and I have a lot to do today. I'll still go and make my hair. I'll still go for school run, and time is against me already, so I said to just go ahead and make the Okpa. Maybe next time when I'm making it, I'll definitely carry you guys along. But does it bang? Bang. And of course, I'm sipping it down with this. Hi God. Life no hard. Life no hard. Now you know. I then can download this into my system and head out to make my hair. I'll see you guys later. A girl gotta smell nice. You should smell good. Use bad odor, kill people. You get me? If you don't get it, forget about it. Lighting, yes, you see, just look at my face, powder. Take me anyhow you see me. That's on period. Guys, I don't know how I am looking. Never to be got on fresh, that's my name. Never to look like my problems, that's my name. And I think I'm beginning to look like my problem. Make I put my hair together. Super. Hey, come on for that place. My room is a mess. I need to sit down and give you guys updates about yesterday. See my hair. Guys, I said to sit here and give you guys updates. I am sweating. There's no light. The weather is so hot. I can't deal, I swear. Guys, I came back late yesterday. I don't know whether it's also affecting my energy this morning, because I finished at the point I was filming, but at the point my phone went off on me. I finished late yesterday. I had a lot to do yesterday and I finished late. I came back here late. Immediately I came back, I had to go into the kitchen to make dinner. I wasn't having it yesterday at all. I wasn't having it. I was tired, and yet I had to come back and still cook. It was so annoying. It was very, very annoying. So annoying. Things I planned yesterday didn't go as I planned, and it affected my whole day. Yeah, that's just it. I said, let me show you guys my hair that I came up with. I don't want anything that's going to stress. I don't want anything that's going to stress. This boy, remove your head from my video now. I don't want anything that's going to stress me. So I decided to make this style. And I like it. See Brian's teeth though. Guys, I'll see you guys later. This boy don't want me to talk. and the weather is equally affecting my brain. I don't even know what to say again. I beg. Let me come here. What heat name? Come on, come maybe he name me. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, good evening. The last time I spoke with you guys was the last time I spoke. Someone is after my sweeping brush. The last time I spoke to you guys was in the morning. Yeah, and guys, guess what? I beat time today. I came back early today. Yeah, and I was able to do all that I wanted to do today. Glory be to God. I'm cooking beans and plantain. That's what we are having for dinner. Let me show you guys my sumptuous pots. So I'm cooking that, and I just show you guys my beautiful pot of beans and plantain. That's what we're having for dinner. Yeah, see, I don't know how I don't know how the I don't know how the next 2 days is going to be for me. I just got to my son's school today to pick him up from school, and I found out that tomorrow is not school and Friday is not school. They'll meet them break. Please call 911. It's over for me. Spending 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Let me just leave other days and say it's weekend. I'm already used to those. I'm already used to weekend. Let me just leave weekend. Spending the house on Thursday and Friday with these two boys. Say more na call 911 because my own don't finish. Guys, good morning. Give me that thing. Bright, collect that thing from him. Small now. It's the next day, and so far so good. I've been surviving so far. Being in the house with, hey God, Brian, give me. Thursday is meant to be like Saturday for me. Then tomorrow being Friday is meant to be like Sunday for me. Then Monday, at least I can be able to cope with my second son, because anytime he doesn't see his brother, thank you. Because anytime he doesn't see his brother, he's calm. You get? He's calm. He won't disturb me that much. But anytime he sees his elder brother, hey God, it seems as if they lighted up a fire within him. And sometimes, being boys, they play roughly. I can't deal. It's just for your eye to be on them 247. It's just for your eye to be on them 247 so that they won't injure themselves. And correct them when they start, when the play becomes too much. Guys, I beg. I'm surviving so far. This should be to around to 11. So I'm surviving so far. Are you sweating? Don't play with water. If you're not drinking again, you can't keep it. Now me burn them. Me and them will stay. I don't get any choice. They are my children. Anyhow they are, I love them like that. And that's on period. Hello my people. Hello my G's. This is the next day. Yesterday your head. I'm talking. Yesterday, I don't want to talk about it. Thank God yesterday have gone and we're in a new day. Today is Friday. Today is Friday and the weather, bright, stop now. And the weather is so hot.
I'm sweating.
If you are sweating, come this side. Come this side if you are sweating. Come and stay this side. Me too, I'm sweating. I'm making up. I would have carried you guys along, but handling my 2 children and making up and videoing at the same time, I can't do it. I know I promised you guys that I was going to share my recipe on how I make my okpa. I know I said I was going to teach you guys how to. I remember I told you guys I'm going to teach you guys how to make okpa. For those that don't know how to, some do know how to make okpa. So today would have been a good day, but handling my boys, making okpa, and also filming. I can't do that right now. Maybe on a very good day, definitely I will. Let me show you guys my okpa. It's still on fire, but let me just show you guys. Not your daddy.